Welcome to Amyart.app. Amy allows you to add as many images to an artwork as you want. But what to do with all those other documents and files that you need to connect to your artwork, such as high-res images, manuals, Excels, certificates, etc. In this tutorial, let's look at how to connect your personal Dropbox to Amy, so you can add about anything you need to your artworks. First thing to do is connect Dropbox to your Amy account. If you don't have a Dropbox yet, you can go to Dropbox.com and create a free account and get started. Afterwards, or if you have a Dropbox account already, go to the tab Dropbox in your account settings. Use the slider to connect your Dropbox and you will be redirected to the login of your Dropbox. Here, use your personal credentials to log in, and if necessary, click Continue and allow to connect Amy to your Dropbox. Now you're all set to start uploading documents and files to your artworks. To add documents and files to an artwork, go to the detail view of that artwork and select the tab Images and Documents. Under Documents, you can click the plus icon to add almost anything to this artwork. Select the document you want to attach and the file starts to upload. When finished, you will have a good overview of all the documents attached to this artwork. Let me select another. Once added, you can of course download it again anytime to work with it. All these documents are kept safe in an organized structure on your Dropbox in an Amy folder. Please keep in mind that this is a folder especially for Amy, so deleting or changing things in this folder should be avoided. For anything you want to do with these files, such as deleting, downloading or changing, you can go to Amy and do it there. In short, you can see Amy as a good interface to keep all your files organized. No need to create folders or do extensive searches on Dropbox. Amy takes care of all of this and makes it easy to find artworks and the documents and files connected to them. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you enjoy using Amyart app.